Hello and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. My name is Christina Elise and today I'm going to be making a vegan, spicy, Chinese barbecue chicken and broccoli to be served over rice, or you could serve it, you could leave the broccoli on the side and serve the chicken in lettuce cups. I like to serve it with rice though, so without further ado, oh, here's this thing I found. Actually, I hike in my neighborhood every weekend and I found on my neighbor's stoop this lean, mean, fat grilling machine, this George Foreman grill. I don't have one. It said never used on it. It looks brand spanking new. Ain't never been used. So I'm sort of excited to try it out, see if I can't grill some tofu on here, or maybe Beyond Meat sausages, because I like to cook the Beyond Meat sausages on my stovetop grill, but there's fire under it, and the fat from the sausages are pretty fatty. When it goes down into the fire, it creates a smoke and smokes my whole house up. Every single smoke alarm goes off. So I'm hoping that I can cook them in that without the smoke situation, and it will drain the fat off too, because that's what the George Foreman grill does. So excited. If you guys have any ideas that you've done, cooked something with the George Foreman grill, some vegan thing, let me know. And I'm going to proceed with this very, very, very easy recipe. In fact, it's a 10 ingredient recipe. That's probably with some wiggle room, but 10-ish ingredients. So I'm going to start with a quarter cup. You can double, this is for the sauce. You can double this if you like a lot of sauce on your Chinese foods, or you just want some extra to go on naked rice with sauce. Is kind of nice too. So that was a quarter cup of hoisin sauce. They sell different kinds of hoisin sauce. Sometimes they call it vegetarian. I don't know why, because I checked the ingredients and all the hoisin sauces seem to be vegan. But yeah, that's a quarter cup of hoisin. I'm going to add a quarter cup of low sodium soy sauce or tamari or amino acids, liquid amino acids. This is the size I get my soy sauce in. I go through it so fast. Alright, I need a teaspoon of ginger. Let's see if I can get this out of here. A teaspoon. I get to buy my ginger with a tablespoon actually. In jarred, already peeled and minced and in a jar. It's really great and easy that way. I'm going to add a tablespoon of sambal oelek, or this is chili paste. Sambal oelek. I'll show you a little. That's what it looks like. And what else do I need? I need 2 tablespoons of jam. This is just a dark berry jam. This happens to be blueberry orange marmalade. That's what I have. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this. 1, 2. Any dark berry jam, with the exception of grape, should be good. Alright, I'm going to whisk that together. So, this is not a whisk, I am currently on, or as of the shooting of this episode for my channel, I'm in the corner on Facebook. I got in trouble on Facebook for posting something political. And I said certain people in the political arena bring out in me what I call my Wild Kingdom instinct, which is on Wild Kingdom. If you ever watched Wild Kingdom back in the day, it's the old and the sick and the frail and the young. But old and sick are the ones that predators kill when they're killing a gazelle or whatever, because that protects the herd. A three-legged or a lame gazelle, you shouldn't be breeding because it'll just breed more flawed offspring. And so that's the theory in nature that predators kill off the sick and the weak. And there's certain people, I'm sure all of you know people in your life, some people who are frail and they bring out a nurturing instinct in you and you want to help and save them. And other people bring out this Wild Kingdom thing, which for me makes me want to kill them and save the herd. I wrote that certain politicians made me want to cull the herd, and apparently they thought that in this current environment that was somehow stoking violence, which of course I was not intending to do. I do not believe in violence. I do not encourage it. I do not endorse it. I do not engage in it. But they didn't like it. Facebook did not like it. So they shut me down for 3 days. So I can't even like posts. I can't answer private messages. I can't do anything. It's a pain in the behind. But whatever. I suppose it's responsible. Given what's going on today is the day. the day I post this is going to be the day today. This is the day that that guy, that ex-Marine, shot up killed 12 people in that club in Thousand Oaks, which is not far from where I live. So anyway, I guess you should be more responsible with the words you use in public forums, because you don't know who's listening. And if I want Donald Trump to be careful with his words and how he's stoking rage in people, I suppose I should heed my own advice. So I accept my punishment. All right, I heated up, that was a tablespoon, actually more of a teaspoon of sesame oil. Any kind of oil will do. I heated up a teaspoon of sesame oil. To that I'm going to add, this is 1 scallion and 2 jalapenos, diced. My God, it already smells good. That's kind of crazy. I'm going to just warm these a bit. And then I already steamed some broccoli florets. If you use fresh broccoli, just steam them. You can blanch them, drop them in boiling water for a minute, or steam them until it's the crunchiness you like. You could use frozen broccoli and just defrost it, or not even defrost it and throw it in here right out of the freezer thing. I don't like frozen vegetables though. For the meat in this, I'm going to be using Beyond Meat's chicken strips. I already cut them into little cubes like this. I don't know why I prefer to cut them instead of having those big finger things that they come in. I like them chopped up smaller, and so that's what I did. All right, so to this I'm going to add, what can I do first? Guess it doesn't really matter. How many ingredients so far? 1, 2, 3. And this was five ingredients in here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 ingredients, I was right. All right, so this is the chicken. You can use any protein source you like. You could use tofu, you could use seitan, you could use another brand of vegan meat. And I'm going to add this stuff. This is the sauce. Throw this away. All right, this is just gonna, basically, I'm just gonna heat this through and let the sauce thicken. And then when it's pretty much done, I'm gonna add the broccoli. And that's the recipe. Serve it with, like I said, with some rice. You could serve that on the side and serve this in lettuce cups if you wanted. You could serve it with some noodles. You could do whatever the fuck you want to do with it. And let this get thick. And yeah, and then garnish it with sesame seeds and maybe some more scallion slices. I don't know if you know, I said it before, I'll say it again. If you use scallions from the store and you save the little bottom end with the white end with the roots in it, if you stick it in a little glass of water, in a couple days it'll start growing out, and then you can plant it in dirt and you can regrow your scallions that way. Yeah, so basically, like I said, I'm going to cook it down, put it on some rice, toss the broccoli in there, and that is that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and please feel free to share these recipes with people that are not vegan. Preaching to the choir is not getting anything accomplished, so I really like to have people that like meat try these things and see how eating vegan food isn't just eating twigs and berries and smoothies and wheatgrass. I voted this week, and one of my neighbors who I didn't know said, "Oh, I love your vegan recipes. I love them so much. Thanks for posting them." So that was nice. I don't get a whole lot of feedback on this channel, so it's nice when I run into somebody that has actually tried some stuff. All right, I'm rambling now. Until next time. Oh, finally, I wanted to say that I'm going to be doing a couple of Thai, sort of Chinese, Thai, Asian dishes in a row here, I think. But pretty soon I'm going to post. You should review my holiday recipes from last season. I did a really amazing stuffing and a really, really great gravy. The gravy is a brown gravy that no one will ever suspect. I bring it to the Priestley house, Jason and Naomi Priestley, their Christmas and their Thanksgiving, and they don't even bother they eat meat, and they don't bother making a gravy. They use my gravy. Everyone does. And they have the bloodlust, so they like their meat stuff. There's my friend BJ makes an amazing orange cranberry, fresh, not cooked cranberry sauce. That recipe is posted on the channel here. The stuffing is, the gravy is, and there's a couple of reviews of different faux turkeys. I really liked the big giant vegetarian plus $50 whole roasted turkey thing that made the whole internet break. When I posted it, people attacked me and thought I was Satan, but it was pretty good, and I ate it in wraps for a week. It was really fantastic. So, but I am going to ultimately this year. I make this gigantic tart. I make homemade dough, and then I fill it with a layer of fake chicken, turkey, whatever, seitan, something like that. Creamed spinach, sweet potatoes, and scallop potatoes, I think, and it's all in a big mountain crusty thing that you slice into, and it's all of your Thanksgiving sides and an entree all in one thing. It's great. You can eat. It's good room temperature too, so it's great. It might be a little tricky to travel with because it's big and heavy and might be a little bit fragile, but definitely a showstopper. It's pretty impressive to look at. And yeah, all right. This is getting thick. Yeah. I'll take it off the heat, toss in the broccolis, and she's done. All right. Thanks again. Until next time. Bye.